Okay. Can you get a good size of the eggs in my hand? Did you?
Mm-hmm. Put the eggs closer to her. Let her play with them.
You gotta fasten that. Sit on my eggs. Yeah. They're our eggs, not yours. Get away.
She's sitting on them, isn't she?
Kind of. Not really.
There are tails on them.
That counts. Does it?
Enjoying being with your mate, Spore? Where are your eggs? Where are your babies?
Yeah. Can you get this stuff off my bed?
Yeah, in a minute.
I don't know what it is. Don't forget your eggs. I've got them.
As long as you have them, she doesn't seem to mind.
No, she doesn't.
As long as she knows they're with you.
It's so cute.
I'm not gonna hurt your eggs.
She doesn't. She's rocking. She doesn't like that. That's rocking is a bad sign.
I'm not gonna hurt your eggs.
You notice that? Look at her.
I know. If I go anywhere near her, she's gonna attack me.
It's just this. Probably doesn't help that I'm doing it. Come on, you don't like. She's not liking it. Dude.